here are the 7 laws of universe that will help you attain the highest form of enlightenment. 1. Truth. The first law is the truth. This law asks the followers to follow the path of truth, justice, and being true to themselves and those who are around them. Remember that dishonesty and false deeds may prevail in small battles, but the truth always wins the war. 2. Knowledge is God. A single person cannot possess knowledge of everything, but everyone may possess knowledge of something. We should find that seed of knowledge within us, and then do all our karma around it. We must believe and put our trust in what we know. 3. Everything is an illusion. No matter what life you're living, whatever situation you're in, if your happiness depends on the materialistic things you own, then happiness is an illusion for you, and it'll be gone with that thing. The third law of universe asks believers not to attach their happiness to earthly objects. 4. Beyond happiness. The world we're living in is getting more and more self-obsessed. Everyone is worried about their happiness and doesn't care if the people around them are happy or not. However, real happiness is beyond limits, and it could be felt only when we have found the seed of knowledge within us, and we're truthful with others and ourselves. Remember, happiness comes from within, not outside. 5. Be formless. If you have noticed someone around you who is genuinely happy all the time, you'll see that the illusion of material comfort does not control them. You put them in any situation and at any place, they'll be the same calm and content in their mind. So, the fifth and one of the most fundamental laws of universe is practicing to be formless like water. Be flexible and adjust to your surroundings. 6. Using all your senses. When your mind is at peace with your heart, and you walk on the path of self-realization, all your senses come together to work in proper synchronization. When you achieve this perfect state of balance between enlightenment and existence in your physical form, the feeling you get is incomparable. 7. Enlightenment is awakening. With these laws of universe, you achieve enlightenment, the highest form of existence for a human. In this state of mind, you attain self-realization along with the proper understanding of nature and reality. Enlightenment is the final state, and it can be achieved without sacrificing domestic life. If you want to know more about the laws of spirituality, which will help you attain the highest form of enlightenment, then check the video link in description. Hope you have a wonderful day.